Hi everyone, I was asked to explain the difference between the drive mechanism and the knuckle duster, which is the same drive mechanism as is in the other Rotoworks machines like the Classic, both the aluminium and the brass model. And the difference between that and the mechanism in the Springer model. First off, Springer model comes with two sets of springs, as you would guess, set of hard, set of soft, and an Allen key. Anytime you're changing the springs, you must use the Allen key and this small grub screw up the back here, so you don't chew up the adjuster knob up the top here. Same as a lot of these kind of adjustable give systems, if you tighten the adjuster down, it hardens the hit, and if you slacken it off, it gives you more give. To make it really simple, I'm going to run the Springer with a hard spring and a soft spring on 6 volts, and I'm just going to run the knuckle duster on 6 volts as well. From the offset, the knuckle duster will line anywhere from a 3 round liner all the way up to an 11 round shader with ease, and a 14 round liner if you want. Round shaders are also called loose liners, so whatever you want to call them, you can call them whatever. The Springer will line with a hard spring on the hardest hit, anywhere from a 3 round liner up to and including an 11 round liner, but this is more suited for colour work. This is more suited for lining and packing. Okay, with that out of the way. So 6 volts, setting the hardest give, so that means the adjuster's all the way down. As you can see, there's almost no give there at all. And same, 6 volts, slightly longer stroke, maybe half a mil, if that longer. Again, no give. This machine's relentless. That's what makes it such a good liner for any grouping, and a really serious packing machine. Obviously, if you drop the volts a wee bit and change your grom over here, maybe fit a squisher one or a paper towel, you can get a slight more softer hit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change this from the no give position all the way down. I'm going to undo the grub screw here, and I'm going to bring the adjuster further up to the top, and I'll show you the difference in hit. Okay, so I've moved the adjuster almost flush with the top here. Still on 6 volts. Still approximately the same throat, but now we have a lot more give. I use the hard spring for lining, and then just what I've done there, I would use this for black and grey work, because it's still hard hitting, still nice and fast, but you've got a nice wee bit of give in it. I'm now going to change this from the hard spring, and I'm going to pop in this soft spring. Changing over the springs takes, I don't know, 10-15 seconds. As I say, you need to undo this wee grub screw at the back, then you take out this screw at the top, the adjuster screw. Then all I do is I just slide up here on the nipple bat and pop out the spring that's already inside. One out. and 1 in. Okay. So we're still on 6 volts. We've got the soft spring in now. We've got the adjuster all the way down. And as you can see, even with the hardest setting, we've still got plenty of play in there. Ideal for soft blending, or if doing a delicate part in the body, can help with packing as well. I'm now going to adjust this all the way up and show you the softest settings. Okay, so soft spring in, adjusted to probably about 2.5, maybe 3 turns. Still on the 6 volts. And really soft hitting. But if we take this up now to 7 volts, speed increases, and you've still got a relatively soft hit. Okay, props to Dale at Rotary Works and to Tattoo Richie. Hope this has helped in some way. Take care.